We are not against development. Development has to be around the trees, not by cutting the trees. So what was the problem here? I filed a complaint 1 week back. No action. RFO saying we are going to find out with the panchayat.
So in the last 15 days, you can say 3 trees have been cut. Along this stretch of just 200 meters, 3 trees in last 15 days, which means that some person, or somebody having allergy and somebody mental eccentric person, I will say, and eccentric who cannot see nature, is gone on a rampage to cut 1 tree every 5 days.
प्रोजेक्ट दीसभर पंचायतीन गेलो हांगा गेलो सगळीकडे प्रोजेक्ट आयकून वाज येयल्लो आसा आनी आतां अशी परिस्थिती शिवोलेन जाल्ली आसा की ह्या प्रोजेक्टाक लागून थोड्या दिसांनी ऑलरेडी आमी आयकला की खुबशे खून जाल्ले आसा की खून जावपाक जे बाकीच्या वास्को आनी मडगांव हे खुबश्या जाग्यार आमी पयलीं आयकपाक येताले शिवोले सारक्या आमच्या गांवांत केन्ना खून म्हणटा ते आयकपाक येनाशिल्ले ते सुद्दां आतां खून जाल्ले आमकां आयकपाक येता.
These trees are our history and they are also our culture. They've contributed to what Goa is. For God's sake, have a thought for this. Have some scientific basis on which you want to do development.
Whichever governments are responsible for this destruction, please wake up. Wake up for you and your generation.
We are walled into something big already. Not one more tree. I don't think Goa can afford to lose even a single tree. There's pollution, there's water scarcity, there's heat. It's really going bad, and the time is right now. Otherwise, we'll go Delhi way and we'll go Bombay way, and Goa might become unlivable. So the time to act is yesterday.